Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to show you some stuff I've been working on. I've gotten the bug to start restoring some old radios. There's a Drake TR4C down there. That'll be the next one I do. But I've been working on this old Yaesu 101E. And I got it for about $100 on eBay. And physically it looked good, and then when I inspected everything, it looked good. But when I turned her on, there was no receive. Literally no sound whatsoever coming out of the speaker, and no movement on the S meter whatsoever. So I realized it wasn't the speaker, okay? So right here, and this is a little crude, I'm sorry. This is the rectifier board, and I should have, maybe I'll overlay some other photos. But for the last 2 weeks, well, first of all, if you know the 101E, most of the boards are modular, except this is a board that is not. See how it's all wired in there? And I know some of this is crude. I spliced some of the wires to get a new board in there. I'm going to put liquid electrical tape on that so there's no arcing. But I just got the board with new components that I put in. I just got it rewired in. And let's see. And there's no antenna hooked up. What do you know? We've got... And that's the 14.200 tone that it should be making. We haven't done any alignment or anything yet. It took about 2-3 weeks to just get any receive. And now we're gonna get this bad boy back in. Man, it was rough getting this thing out. Real rough, but we'll get it all back in there, screwed back in, wires protected. And I don't know, maybe in a couple of weeks you'll hear this bad boy on the air. I'm going to use it as, probably as a dedicated AM rig, but more to come on that. All right, take care. KB2 UKA.